What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 27th of September. We're taking a look at Casper cryptocurrency here. It's been a while. Casper has been on a pretty large move south to the downside here. So once Casper really broke the 027 level, which you could see the arrow is pointing to there. So this area was support for a very long time. And then it broke back in June, so early summer, and then went on a couple waves to the downside. Well, we are looking at Casper now. We're going to not worry about what happened in the past. And I think Casper right now, I think I wrote it on the community tab on the channel. I think Casper is quite bullish. We are making a new higher high here. So we made a new higher high the 25th, which was Wednesday of September. And it looks like today we are close, if not already. So 013 and let's see, 0135, 0133. We're very close to making another high here. I think it's quite bullish, this zone that it's breaking out of right now. The rest of the markets are also moving higher. So, you know, this is obviously following suit here. So this zone right in here is bullish. I think, you know, we'll see if it holds. The next area of potential market resistance, market trouble is going to be right in this area here. So basically the 1.5 down to like the 1.47 roughly. So I would keep an eye on that if you're long this or thinking about getting long. It's about a, call it a 10 to a 14-15% move higher before I think there's any real resistance here in the Casper cryptocurrency market. The ticker symbol for this, by the way, is the CSPR USDT. It's the tether pair. This is a daily chart, and Gate.io is the where the price data is coming from here. So I think it's one of those projects, or, you know, one of those potential investments at the moment that has been ignored for a while. It hasn't been doing well, obviously, unless you are short. Yeah, but for the bulls, you know, no good. But I think the tides, the winds are switching here. And I think we could see a run here for Casper. So time will tell. I just wanted to share it here on the channel. Of course, I could be wrong. If I was buying this, I would have a protective stop in place, you know, below the market, because if I was wrong, I don't want to continue to hold this thing as it continues to slide to the downside. But if I'm right, you know, all is well. So that is the way I'm looking at this. We'll see how it does. Bitcoin is doing well. We'll see how it does today. It's Friday. We started to really move yesterday, finally above this 63 to 64, 375 zone. We have a new daily higher high and a higher low today than yesterday. Yesterday was a 3.24%, 2,000 plus day for Bitcoin. So for those Casper holders out there, a couple on the channel here, you know, I think it's gonna do well here, and we'll see. We'll see if it does well this time. And we had a little rally here, but obviously it didn't hold much. But I think this one with the rest of the market is lining up quite well. A little bit of a rounding bottom here. We'll see. Let's see if this unfolds and goes on a rally. There's been some cryptocurrencies on my watch list. If you haven't been paying attention to the channel, Aerodrome Finance up 110% in 14 days. Unbelievable. That was a break above a overhead resistance line. So I don't have any new overhead targets. I will have to put them on in the next Casper video. There will be plenty all within this zone here. The only one I have right now, which was old support, which got flipped into resistance, is the 02757 level. But there are some new ones that we could shoot for here to the upside if this thing continues to break out. You could see that long-term support up here for Casper, and then, you know, sliding to the downside. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're an NIDA subscriber, join us here on the channel. Of course, not financial advice. We'll see. I could be wrong, of course, but I think the it's the risk to reward is worth it here. But of course, always a protective stop to protect your capital. You guys have a great day. All links down below. I'll catch you in the next one.